If you feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of drafts, meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So first of all you have to do is type into Mindrift.ea. You have your various information like you choose here. If you are writer or editor or domain expert, you have also any tutors, resources like blog, fake. In fake we have questions with answers and other things. But let's know first of all what is Mindrift. Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA, composed of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. Leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative EA models. If we scroll down, we have other information like our connection to follow also other things. So let's come back to the home page. I will show you how you can earn money with Mindrift. Also, if you are writer, editor, or domain expert. So the first thing we have here, join the Art Improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content or for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. So if we scroll down, we have here other information like benefits of Mindrift, like why should you try it? It's flexible. The flexible working approach is game changer and fits in perfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are all really kind and helpful. Then we have get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. And if we scroll down, we have here some questions and some niche like Mindrift, what is Mindrift, and other things. Then to get started, how you can, and the steps, and then we have your qualification, payments, also how much I will earn, then how much hours, and can I do this while working on other part-time, and other questions with answers. So right now, if you wanna apply, all I have to do is click over apply now. But first you will choose if you are writer, editor, or domain expert or expert annotator. First one we have writer, so click over apply now. I will show you how you can apply as a writer, then I will show you how you can earn money as a writer. So firstly, write your first name, last name, email, phone number, country, link it in profile, personal website, then you click over here if you are agree in those things. We have the first one, I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Then the second one, I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift's privacy notice and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ea, all you have to do is leverage the platform's features like to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. I will give you some ways you can monetize your writing skills. So first one is content creation and freelance, like writing articles and blog posts. We have also second one is self-publishing, like ebooks, courses also, and guides. The third one is copywriting and marketing content, like at copy and sales pages, content marketing also. Then the fourth one is creative writing, like fiction and poetry and script writing. Then the fifth one is affiliate marketing and sponsored content, like affiliate reviews, sponsored content also. And the last one is editing and proofreading, areas for improvement. So that's it for if you are a writer. Right now let's apply now with editor. So as an editor, you can earn money editing affairs content to advance EA into a flexible schedule while getting ready for the work of tomorrow. So you write your first name, then your last name, then your email, then your phone number, country also, LinkedIn profile, personal website, then you click over here if you are agree in those things as we did before. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ea to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ea. So the first one, we have freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing, and the second one is content review and feedback like manuscript review and feedback. And the third one is editorial consulting like author coaching, content strategy consulting. The fourth one, we have content curation and management, like creating anthologies, management, editorial projects. Fifth one is educational services like editing, guides, and ebooks. And the last one is affiliate marketing and partnerships, like promotion tools and services. And right now, let's apply as domain experts. So you go for apply now, earn money to advance AI writing in your area of expertise into a flexible schedule with no AA experience needed. So first thing you write your first name, then your last name, email, phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you go for those things if you are agree. So as a domain expert, you have a specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. So the first things is consulting and advisory services like consulting. Then the second one is content creation and publishing, like writing articles and books, online courses and workshops. The third one is speaking engagements and webinars, like public speaking webinars and online events. The fourth one is expert witness and legal consulting, like expert witness. The fifth one is coaching and mentoring, like one-on-one coaching and group coaching and masterminds. The sixth one is developing and selling, like specialist products, proprietary tools and resources, specialists and membership sites and subscriptions. The seventh one is affiliate marketing and sponsorships, like product reviews and endorsements. And the last one is academic and research opportunities like teach and academia and also grant and funding. So this is it for domain expert. So with Mindrift.ea you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.